Hello and welcome back. This is Steve of Bucks Coins and welcome back to the channel. Today I've got 3 coins for you. They're coloured coins and they're from Australia. Around the bottom it's got 0.999 AG, 1 ounce, $1. So it's a $1 silver, fine silver coin from Australia. On the back, it goes that way up. We have 4 mythical creatures, one of which is a dragon, and the other 3 are Chinese mythical creatures. I don't know the full extent of what their actual official names are. But this is a beautiful coin. Just look at the colour of each of the individual animals, mythical animals. You also have a yin and yang sign as well in the centre. Each of the animals seem to be interlinked with something that looks like a seaweed scroll. This coin is a beautiful coin. I really do like this coin. Nice splash of colour. The second one, we have the Chinese zodiac years. The second and third coins in this one. This one is from the year of the snake. The front is exactly the same as the previous coin, but this one was issued in the year of the snake, for the year of the snake, or to celebrate the year of the Chinese New Year of the Snake. It has a green and yellow snake twisted round a branch or tree bow. I'm not sure what the tree is supposed to be, and I'm not even sure which snake it's supposed to be. We do have the Chinese characters there, which I presume is snake, but it's a beautifully coloured coin. There's just the right amount of colour there without it being overpowering, and it goes across the width of the coin, whereas this one here went around the full circular outside of the coin. And because it's different colours, I don't think it's too much. The final one of the 3, again, it's from Australia. Again, it is a 1 ounce 0.999 silver $1 coin. This one was issued for the year of the tiger. And I believe this Chinese graphic here, graphical character is tiger, or year of the tiger. It has him lying prone on the ground. There's a beautiful amount of colour. The frosting of the ground looks good against the coloration of the animal itself. The year of the tiger seems to go through the frosting, which makes it stand out a bit more. Again, I don't think there's too much colour there for this particular coin. The 4th and 5th coins are Australian coins. This one is slightly different. Around the outside it has like a engine turned outer rim. It says Elizabeth II, it says $1 from Australia. And this one is the Australian kangaroo, and this one is from 2016. You've got 2016 down there, and you've got Australian kangaroo going across the top. And it's 1 ounce 0.999 silver. As I said, from 2016. You've got the kangaroo, and you have like a spoked design behind it. The kangaroo is in a frosted colour, whereas, and the spikes are slightly frosted, and then silver is showing through the background. It's quite busy, this coin, in its design. There is a lot of detail in the actual kangaroo itself, but I'm not too sure. I think it's just a little bit too busy, the background. Perhaps you could have had something similar, like something simple like a map of Australia in the background or something like that. I just think that design looks a little bit too busy for my liking personally. It's a lovely coin nevertheless. It looks good. It does look good. It doesn't say what type of kangaroo it is. It doesn't say whether it's a red or a grey kangaroo. Excuse me. I would imagine it's probably a red kangaroo. And the final coin, you have a frosted background with Elizabeth II's portrait on it, and it says Elizabeth II, Australia, $1. Beautiful, beautiful frost in the background, and this one is a IRB, or Immigrant Broadly Portrait of Her Majesty. This one is from I think it's 2015, and you have an outer solid silver rim which has the date on it, and also the fact that it is a 1 ounce, oh sorry, it's 2015, it's a 1 ounce 0.999 silver, so it's a 2015 coin, and you have a frosted background in the centre, and the koala bear and the tree that it's clutching hold of, which will be a eucalyptus tree, I would have thought. It looks as if the background is also some water, so is it an ocean view of this coin? Seems to be some water there in the background. Is that a lake or is it water? I don't know. Is it sea water? I don't know. It's got a letter P there, which would probably make it the Perth Mint. And I've just had a look on this one here, and there's a mint mark P there, which also would be the Perth Mint. The quality itself is done very well, and his fur stands out quite well. The only thing you can't see in detail, which is a bit disappointing, is the eyes, where the rest of the animal is so well drawn and engraved. So, if I go out now, we have two solid silver ones that aren't coloured from the Perth Mint. We have a Perth Mint tiger. We have a Perth Mint snake. This one I'm not too sure about, but it looks as if there's also a P down here as well, but I'm not 100% sure. So we've got 5 coins here, 5 beautiful coins here from the Australian place. So what do you think of them? Would you want these in your collection? I know I'm very happy to have them in my collection. So that concludes this video. If you've enjoyed it, please give me the thumbs up. I'm looking to grow the channel this year, so I've got this set of coins. As I said, if you enjoyed it, please give me the thumbs up. I would also ask you, if you have enjoyed this, please think about subscribing, as I want to grow my channel. And if the way that YouTube algorithms run, as far as I understand, is the amount of likes and the subscription level you have puts you in front of another set of new people who've never seen your videos before, in the hope that they will subscribe to your channel. However, if you're having a hunt, I hope you have a successful one and you can find the coins you're looking for. If you're buying coins, I hope you can find the coins that you want for the price that you want to pay. And finally, in closing, thank you for staying until the end of the video, and until we meet up again, which I hope will be not too far into the distant future. I do four videos a week, so hopefully you'll find something you like. Until we meet to see each other again on this channel, from me, bye bye now. Ta-da.